Welcome guys. On this video, I am going to show you how to reserve a WhatsApp username. This is actually a new feature. Now go ahead and open your WhatsApp application. Just on the bottom area, you are going to notice an option where it says you. Click on that. And then on this area, the next thing you need to do is to click on your account, which is account. Just next to the subscription, you are going to see account. Click on that. Now, after you click on account, choose the option that says username, or rather reserve username. After you choose that option, you are going to see an option that says create a username. Now click on create username button. Now it's going to bring you to an area where you'll be able to enter in your username. So all you need to do is to input the username that you want to use. Once you are done with the username you prefer, click on save. Now, after you might have saved, the next area you see is that it is going to prompt you an icon saying that you have actually reserved that particular username. Now, after you've seen that, just click on done and it's going to bring you to this other page that also says username has been reserved. So when the WhatsApp username is officially launched later on, you will now be able to make use of this username to log in instead of making use of your phone number. Now, this particular feature is actually being rolled out. You might not have it available on your device. This is going to be rolled out gradually. The only reason why you are seeing this option is because this option is available for test users, because there are users that are under test. So developers will be able to test this application first before it's being rolled out to everybody. So I hope this video is helpful. If you have further questions, leave it on the comment section. See you on the next one. Peace.